when we talk about implant dentistry, we can talk about replacing a single teeth, multiple teeth, or the full set of teeth in our mouth. Now, thanks to technology today, we are able to reduce the number of implants to place to restore full arches. So now if you are thinking to replace all your upper missing teeth or lower missing teeth, thanks to technology today and thanks to the teamwork that goes within implantologists, periodontists, and restorative dentists, we are able to customize the surgeries made to measure for your case. And most of the times we're able to restore full arches with 4 to 6 implants.